Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video, and as you see what we told you in the last video, we told you that level here, it's still very stronger level, and now what that red candle it's showing here, same thing what also we told you guys. Same thing what also we told you. It zoom it a little bit like that. We told you yesterday that level here, it's still very stronger. And that's what that red candle came today. It's indicating, guys. And even that one down here, as you see it, when it came to it, that candle, what it's showing? It's showing a rejection from here going to go up. And that's what also we're telling you guys yesterday. We tell you the market is going to stay sideways like that till that week end or finish, because the big whales or big investors, they are waiting the Friday expiration date of the BTC option, guys. So make a close eye at that one, guys. So what should you do now? Till now, even you should wait, my friend, because what can we say? You are not that big compared to those big whales, and as we said, it's 2.2 billion, guys. So you need to make a close eye at it. Till now, the inflation is still too high, guys. So there is no entry yet. And me, I tell it to you before, guys. I tell you, you are not going to enter unless if it came and breaking for us that level here. If it doesn't, also we are not going to enter. We just scalp those days. We enter from short to up. We're earning few percent in our account. We're growing up slowly by slowly. What I got in my chart, same thing, guys. As you see it, nothing was changed. I got here in the top that long-term trend, and here, as you see it, also we are down the net, and here that yellow level here, as you see it, every time it came to it, it showed the rejection. And as you see here, what happened here exactly here in that zone. Here, what you see in my friend here, that the candle of yesterday, the green one, then it came, the price here, it show a rejection, as you see it, a big tail, and today, that red one, it fall down again. Then here, it show a rejection from down. So also we still sideways, guys. There is no going up, no going down now. The market now is flat. As I tell you, they are waiting that Friday expiration for the BTC options. By the way, I know some people, they don't know what is it options. Options, big players of the market, they use it to hedge against the risk. Like them, they got Bitcoin, so they hedging against it by shorting the options. So like that, they are in risk free. So all that fall down, them, they are in the safe side. But that Friday is going to finish it, that 2.2 billion, guys. I'm talking here about $2.2 billion. We're going to see if that 2.2 billion, they are going to bring it from option and put it here in the market. That is going to indicating, guys, us we are in the bottom of the Bitcoin. If it's not, if they buy other option and they hedge against the risk more, when you're going to see the Bitcoin going down then to 10k, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Us every day, guys, we put in 2 videos. Every day, 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So if you are interested, you can join us and benefiting from all those things free, my friend. Or you can even do something more better. You can join our Telegram channel. So like that, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, my friend. You done it, my friend? Welcome to the family, guys. So now it's going to see our indicator, guys, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, is the same thing. Nothing was changed. What me I told you here, 1, here 2, and that one which is going now is the third one, and down, mimic for us 2, like that. I think now there is the falling, guys, coming, and that's what me I've been telling you, guys. I tell you, look at the big trend. Forget about what others they telling you, because others, majority of them, they are not traders. They just went to Google and they searching for pictures and they put it here, or they copy from each other. You focus about one thing, guys, the long-term trend. What it's telling you, you are in a downtrend, guys. You are not in an uptrend. And as you see here, that up one here, that one is a downtrend. Also being followed from 2021, guys. And also we go into 2023. Should you buy, my friend? Every time he came, he touching that trend line, he fall down more, as you see it. And also we're telling you before the halving cycle is it till 2024, guys. the Bitcoin, you're going to see it moving upward till 2023, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Till now, also it's still very, very, very early, guys. And also we're updating you every time, guys. Every day we put 2 videos. So it's very simple, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So for long-term investment, it's not yet, guys. It's still very, very early to decide to enter long, guys. Everything is too clear. See our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. That one here, if you remember what also we said here. Look at it. Here, what you got? You got a very clear divergence like that, guys. Yes or no? By the way, that one it needs to be here, but it's okay. So what that indicating, guys? That indicating the market is going to reverse upward. Yes or no? Should you enter now? Not yet, guys. Even here you got a small divergence here, but the market is still here stuck in that level, guys. There is no entry yet. And what did I told you else you got there? Because that indicator of us, what is it, the trading strategy with it? You are at the oversold and you need a price action, and you are in a stronger level, then you need a price action. Where is the price action there, guys? Where is the price action? There. The price action for you to enter long here at the daily is that one, guys. Did it come to it? Not yet, guys. It needs to come to break for you that triangle here. If it doesn't, don't enter, guys. Don't even thinking of to enter. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours, and here in the 4 hours, what did I told you me in the last video? I told you got here like that, a triangle, guys. Like that. Look at it. Very clear triangle like that. Did you see it or not? It's very, very, very clear here. Should you enter now, guys? No. Look at that big volume here. And I think now it came the news of USA. Should you enter? Not yet, guys. Unless if it came and breaking for us here. And breaking the 200 moving average. Look at it. Look here. Where is it, the 200 moving average, guys? And where is it, that trend line? They are together here. So it's still very early, guys. It's still very, 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 very early, guys. And what I got me in my chart, same thing, guys. There is nothing was changed. As you see it, we got that level here, it's very stronger, and we got here that yellow one, it's very stronger. And what did I told you me in the last video, guys? I told you bring a Fibonacci from here, from that last high here, tail down here, and what did I told you? Look with me what else we said yesterday, guys. What is the 0.61? Is it here? That one, yes or no? Where is the 50? 0.50 we also talking. Is it that one, guys? Yes or no? So you came here, you draw it like that, a square here. As you see it, guys, that square between 0.61 and 0.50. As you see it, that the top of it, that the low of it. What it showing you there, guys? Look at it. Yesterday when it came, it showed here that big pin bar. What happened today? The market it fall down till here, till 0.23. Should you enter, guys? Not yet. And what me I told you else? I told you to know where it's going to go exactly. You bring a Fibo from the last low here to the 61, which is here. And I tell you, the Bitcoin it will go till here, guys. Till that level here. It's dealt in those Fibo because I know it look very messy in the chart. And I tell you, guys, the Bitcoin it will fall down till here. What it's showing now, it couldn't break that level here, guys. And another thing I tell it to you here in the 4 hours, guys. What is it? What did I told you, guys? I tell you, you got 2 levels here like that, and down here 2 levels, guys. And what did I told you? How many touched in top? Calculating 1, 2, 3, 4. That one is a fake breakout, and that one is the 5th one, guys. Down, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What did I told you now? You need to see where is the Bitcoin is going to break, guys. Either to break up here or either to break down. And what the 200 moving average is showing you, guys? Look at it. What it's showing? It's showing it's being falling, but here in that place, it started going to sideways. And that's what I told you. I told it's going to stay sideways for some time. Then after that, we're going to see either to break up or either to break down, guys. Everything is too clear. It's good to see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Our indicator, guys, yesterday, it being here, breaking for us. Now, where is it? It's go back inside, guys. Should you enter now? Not yet, guys, because there is no momentum or power to leave that our indicator in the top here, in the place where the bulls were controlling, guys. It always like to go back to the place where is the bears controlling, guys, because as you see it spend the much of time or more time here, more than here. So what that indicating to you, guys? that it's indicating the bears were controlling that market, guys. Even if they came some bulls like that, they pushing up, but they don't got that big power to stay above. Everything is too clear. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Our other indicator, guys, what it's saying. When it touch here the overbought here, as we told you to take the profit. Yes or no? Now where is it? Is it here at the middle? I tell you, maybe from here it will go in upward. Should you enter now? Unless if one thing happen, guys. Unless if that trend line or that the top of that triangle get broke here and break for you the 200 moving average, guys. That's when it's going to break for you even the last high here. That's when you need to enter long, guys. Till now there is no entry, guys. It's still very, very, very early. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into what the market doing now. Right now, in 30 minutes, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. So let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing right now, guys. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. And here in 30 minutes, if you remember yesterday, what did I told you here? I told you the market give you a W here. I told you if it's break for your low, enter. When it's break, you enter here. You should take profit, guys. Or maybe from here it's going to fall down more. And here, what is giving you the market? Look here. What is giving you, guys? If you came like that and you connected just those dots, guys, like that. Now what you need? It needs either to break up or either to break lower, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's see our indicator, guys, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Our indicator, guys, what it's saying. You are at the oversold area, guys. Should you enter long? Unless if one thing happening, guys. Look with me here and here. What you seeing, guys? What it giving you? It's a flag, guys. It's a bull flag. You came like that. It's a flag. It's a very clear flag now. You see it or no? You just need a symbol in the middle and it's going to be a complete flag, guys. That one is just a joke. Sorry. So now what you need? That one here. Is it at the oversold area? You got a price action, guys. You got a level. As you see it, that one is a very stronger level. Where is the Bitcoin? Try to bounce up. Now what you need? If that one came and break here, you bring that line here, the same one, and you put it from here like that. The target is going to be here. If it's breaking up, guys. If the market came and breaking here by a candle. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you in the daily candle finish it. And make sure to subscribe, my friend, if you are not. Bye for now, guys.